HighNote. Add some pizzazz. Put a bird on it. Listing agents and sellers will take notice. It is a flashy way of submitting an offer, and it can sometimes seem like it's a little bit much, but it really does the trick. It really helps. It is an amazing way to submit an offer, and you have the ability to seamlessly include videos in this offer. Your love letter can suddenly turn into a video love letter to the sellers. Super awesome in this day and age. You have so many people that don't even want to read 3 paragraphs of a love letter. People are lazy and don't want to read anymore. So submitting videos is a much more efficient way nowadays, if you have clients that are open to it, of creating a love letter in video form as well. All right, so we updated HighNote a little bit. This is great for everybody here. I see a couple of you have already started to take advantage of it. You can create your own templates. I would like to preface that with, please don't just create templates that you're going to use for yourself. Please, only if you are going to create a template, create an evergreen template that anyone can use. I saw a couple of people have already created templates for themselves in there. Make them evergreen so then you can take them and put in your own information every time. So we'll work on that. We'll create a little bit better guideline on how to create a template for everybody. But I went ahead and created a residential purchase offer template. So you go to your templates, click on that, click use. It'll create a copy in your presentations, and then you can edit it as you want. Do not edit it in the templates, okay? Did you guys all get that? Do not edit the template. Use the template, create a duplicate, and then make it your own. So if you do ever want to create a template, you'll have the ability by using that plus sign up in the top right corner. Yeah.
Is there any way to create a template that's not company-wide, like that is personalized to us?
That's why they don't typically have templates open for people.
Should we cut it off at a certain point?
I don't know, you wanted it.
I wanted it for me, and then it opened it to everybody.
Until the technology allows you to do it that way, because as we grow a company, the last thing any of you want is when you need to get something out fast to go scroll through all the A's, B's, C names, D names, version 2 of the same template. It just, if you don't cut it somewhere, it just gets out of control.
Yeah.
If anybody has a really great idea or a want for a template, please reach out to me, and we will create a great evergreen template that everyone can use. In the meantime, if you have created a template that you don't necessarily mean for everybody on the team to use, let's delete it, save it to your presentations, and use your presentations. Let's leave the templates for company-wide evergreen templates. All right? Yes.
And just to add on to that, you can duplicate all your presentations. So even though we can't make personal templates, we can have one that we always refer to that you just duplicate and then edit.
Yeah, so you saw the template in your presentation.
Exactly.
Residential purchase agreement, template, and just duplicate it.
Exactly. If you couldn't hear him, hit use, take that template, make it your own, save that as a template, and now you can enter all the client details every time you do it. Copy that template within your presentations. It will stay in your presentations, but we're gonna try to limit who creates templates, all right? If it gets out of hand, we'll turn it right back off. All right, so let's go to that website if you have it pulled up, just so we can walk through the RPA template. All right, so scroll back up to the top if you could. All right, so you can rename the top to anything you want when you save it under your own presentations. So rename it to anything you want. It'll auto-populate your headshot and your name, and then scroll down a little bit. I entered a very basic, very plain introduction, but it's got all the details that you want to put in. Please feel free to change that, make it your own, add a little bit of your own personality to these templates, or not to the template, but to your own copy of the presentation. You're going to want to add your personality no matter what to any of these. So we're setting you up with something very basic, very introductory, but add a little bit of flair, make it you. But always have your name, your DRE. This will not auto-populate. I put this in here. Anything in parentheses means you got to put your own thing in there. It's not going to auto-populate. So don't send off a HighNote that says agent name, DRE number, cell number. We always like to get the love letter right at the top. Okay, this is just like sneaking it into the RPA. I would still put it in the RPA like Kyle mentioned, but also have it up here. You could put in a PDF version of the love letter. And that's the one thing that I actually uploaded to the template. So you all have an example of what a love letter can look like that you can send out to your clients. I blanked out all the personal information, so you can send that to your clients. Another thing that you can also do is put in a video right here. Best way to put in a video into a HighNote is record the video, upload it to YouTube, make it a private video. So don't make it a private video. Unlisted video. That's what it is. An unlisted video. So then anyone with the link to that video can view the video. So create the video, upload it to YouTube, make it unlisted, and then you're going to put in the link to that YouTube video right here. Easiest way to do it. Fortunately, HighNote doesn't have a way to upload videos directly to their website, but YouTube is the best way to do it. I've also seen some people use Soapbox. I'm not sure if BombBomb has that capability, but Soapbox definitely does, to send a link to that Soapbox video as well. So then we've got the purchase agreement. If you want to scroll down a little bit, purchase agreement with a very simple offer essentials right here, pre-approval letter, little bit of information you could just fill in. Keep scrolling down. And then my favorite, Jen allowed us to all watch her video because she made such an amazing video. I think this is super important, especially if you've never met the listing agent in person. It might be a listing agent that isn't taking your phone calls, only wants to deal with you over text. You're forcing a little bit of your personality on them and the ability to see you as a person and a human, not just a name and a phone number. So I don't know if you can hit preview and click on it.
Tell me that in a second.
It's okay. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Medina. My name is Jen DiGiulio. I'm with the Whissel Realty Group, and I am very excited about these clients that are presenting this offer. So thank you so much for reading it and considering us. They are a younger couple, so excited that they met each other, and they both had children, so now they are a blended family, outgrowing their home, and they came to the open house and fell in love with your property, especially the outside. They wouldn't even leave for a while. They saw it already as their home. So we will do whatever it takes here at the Whissel Group to get this closed. And also their lender they have been working with for quite some time, and she is very confident on closing. So we are happy to answer any questions you may have and anything we need to get this over the line. We would be so honored to close this with you and Mike, of course. So thank you again. Nice to meet you. I'm Jen, and hope to hear from you soon.
Awesome video. Every HighNote should have that in there. I want you all to start doing that if you're not already. Just super simple. Take a 30-second selfie video explaining your client, introducing yourself, your clients, a little bit more about the offer, and getting across the finish line. So simple. Did you get that offer accepted?
Yeah.
There we go.
At the beginning, I talked about our team.
Yeah.
We're a huge team. We have our TCs in-house, I forget what I said, but I was like, we're committed to a quick close.
Totally.
And my clients.
If you couldn't hear Jen, she introduced herself, said that we've got a huge team. We've got a great transaction team, TCs in-house, have the ability to close quick. There won't be any delays. You want to put all that information in there because that's what the listing agent wants to hear. They want to hear about your efficiency and your ability to close fast, your ability to close in general, and your ability to close on time. So awesome stuff there. And then of course you end it with a little, just a little note. Appreciate your time. Thank you for presenting my client's offer. And of course, make this your own, not in the template. Yeah, just use Jen's. Just send Jen's video every single time. It works.
Yes.
Awesome. Any questions on HighNote?
It looks really good.
Okay.
If you put the house behind it for your cover.
Oh, I like that. If you couldn't hear Jen, if you get a photo of the listing of the house from, from Redfin or the MLS or anywhere like that, download it and make that the background for the HighNote itself. That's a really great idea. So yeah.
For the residential purchase offer, I like to put winning offer
Yeah.
dash and the address. That's what I like.
Yeah. If you couldn't hear Adrian, he likes to write winning offer instead of residential purchase offer. I just put residential purchase offer so you knew what it was in the templates, but change that title to anything you want. Winning offer for 123 Main Street. Yes, Jones family. Incredible offer, the best offer you'll ever see. And it's amazing how many people are going to give you feedback on these high notes, and how many people are, even if they don't accept that offer, they're going to say, hey, I'm sorry we couldn't accept your offer, but this is probably one of the best looking offers we've ever seen because of the way it was presented. Your clients loved it. Unfortunately, you were 150,000 under ask. So it looked great, but the number wasn't there. But it really is going to make a difference. It's going to capture those eyes. It's going to capture the seller's attention and really make a point. And people are left and right asking, listing agents are like, hey, can you send me how to do that? Because I want to start sending my offers like that. So people want to use this as well.